Morning, everyone. It's 8:54 on Friday, end of the week, first of the month, March 1st. And this is your pre-opening comment. It is video number 2094. Boy, time flies. Asia and Europe, both a little higher. No economic information um, coming out this morning before the open. After at just trying to see, I think at 9:45 we have S&P February Global U.S. Manufacturing PMI. The prior is 49.1. I don't see an estimate. And at 10 o'clock, final February, University of Michigan, consumer sentiment expectations are 79.6. Prior was 78.8. And January construction spending expected to be down a bit, 0.3 versus a prior of 0.9. Treasuries are basically unchanged from yesterday. 4.25 on the 10-year, and the yield on the 2-year note down 3 basis points at 461. That's a decline back down to 35 on the 210 spread. The big news here was Dell yesterday. Um, Beating by 47 cents, revenues in line, increased the dividend 20%, and the stock is 117.30, up 22.64 or 23.9%. Autodesk, ADX, also beat on revenues and gave great guidance, although guides fiscal year 25 earnings slightly below consensus, but revenues above. It is 280 spot 24, and that is up 2207 or 8.6%. HPE, they beat, but they missed on revenues, 1439 down 84 cents. New York Community Bank, this one has been nowhere but down. Last is 370, down another $1.09 or 23%. And it's they said that they've completed their goodwill impairment assessment, and it does not impact any of the regulatory capital ratios. However, they did identify material weakness in internal controls, and the new CFO appointed immediately. Um, that's really about it. Eli Lilly target raised by B of A to 1,000 from 800, and that has it at 764, up 11. And Estee Lauder downgraded to neutral from buy at Goldman Sachs. Not really doing much of anything. It's down 1%. Chart on the screen. This is still my favorite, and this is why. All of these tops that I've been pointing out. If we close where we are right now, we will have a new high close on a weekly basis and a clear breakout here. As you can see, the 20-day is about to cross the 100. It's already been above the 50 and the 5. So I'm really liking that. Let me give you a look at what that weekly looks like. As you can see, this is where it goes. Let me give you a little bit better perspective here. Okay, so 200-week MA. I know you're tired of it, but I can't help it. 79.65, 79.60, 79.29, and right now 79.69. On the week, that's up $3. And if we close here, I'd see nothing in the way all the way up to 83.84. So we have positions there, and I'm looking at a new name in LNG transfer. I'll get to that in Sunday's letter. But the oil is up $1.45. Nat gas is down a penny. Um, Take another quick look at some more of these. The gold is up 5. Silver is down slightly. Copper is down slightly. Bitcoin is up another 600. It got down to 61,440 overnight and came back here to 63,360. Ethereum continues higher, and the bonds are slightly lower, down 11 ticks. All right, folks. Have a good day and a good weekend, and I will be back Monday.